Hello everyone, and welcome back to Crazy Cars. Today, we're diving into the world of motorcycles with the 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide, one of the most iconic touring bikes in the Harley lineup. Known for its bold design, outstanding performance, and long-distance comfort, the 2025 Road Glide is perfect for those who want to cruise in style and tackle long journeys with ease. Before we get into all the details, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing reviews. Let's rev up and get started. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide is powered by the famous Milwaukee-Eight 114V twin engine that delivers 94 horsepower and 119 pound-feet of torque. This engine provides plenty of grunt for cruising on highways, tackling steep inclines, and even overtaking other vehicles effortlessly. The Road Glide is equipped with a 6-speed cruise drive transmission that ensures smooth shifting, allowing for a comfortable ride on long-distance trips. Whether you're cruising down the freeway or carving through winding roads, the Road Glide offers a smooth, powerful ride that's perfect for enthusiasts who want the perfect balance between power and comfort. One of the standout features of the 2025 Road Glide is its frame-mounted Sharknose fairing, which is designed to reduce wind buffeting and provide a more stable ride at high speeds. This fairing not only looks sleek but also enhances the bike's aerodynamics, improving comfort for the rider over long distances. The design is unmistakable, with its aggressive lines and distinctive profile that make the Road Glide one of the most visually striking motorcycles on the road today. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide features a premium suspension system, which includes front and rear dual bending valve (DBV) suspension. This system offers superior handling and comfort, even on rough or uneven roads. The 43mm front forks and adjustable rear shock absorbers work together to provide a plush ride, absorbing bumps and road imperfections, making it ideal for long touring rides. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising along winding mountain roads, the Road Glide offers a smooth and stable experience, allowing you to focus on the open road ahead. For those who love to go the extra mile, the 2025 Road Glide also offers a massive 6-gallon fuel tank, which allows for fewer stops and longer trips without the need to refuel. With a fuel economy of around 40 mpg, this bike can cover impressive distances, making it perfect for long-haul riders who want to spend more time on the road and less time at gas stations. When it comes to technology, the 2025 Road Glide is packed with cutting-edge features that make it one of the most tech-savvy touring bikes available. The Boom Box GTS infotainment system is the centerpiece of the bike's electronics, offering a 6.5-inch touchscreen that includes Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and navigation. Whether you're listening to your favorite tunes or using the navigation to explore new routes, the infotainment system makes it easy to stay connected and entertained on the go. In terms of comfort, the 2025 Road Glide is designed with long-distance rides in mind. The dual bucket-style seat provides excellent support, and the heated handgrips ensure your hands stay warm in colder weather. The adjustable passenger seat also allows for added comfort, ensuring that both the rider and the passenger enjoy a relaxed journey. The floorboards provide additional comfort and reduce fatigue, while the low seat height ensures easy handling and better control at slow speeds. Safety is a key priority in the 2025 Road Glide, with advanced features like Reflex Defensive Rider Systems (RDRS), which include cornering enhanced anti-lock braking, traction control, and electronic braking to provide enhanced stability and control, especially in tricky conditions. The Daymaker LED headlights offer exceptional visibility, making nighttime riding safer and more enjoyable. Whether you're riding on dark country roads or in low-light conditions, the Road Glide ensures that you can see and be seen. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide offers a range of customization options, from different color schemes to unique wheels and handlebars, allowing you to personalize your bike to fit your style. Some of the available colors include Vivid Black, Billiard Red, and Silver Fortune, with more options available through Harley's custom shop. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Road Glide is expected to start around $22,000, depending on the trim and options you select. The Road Glide Special, which includes additional features like chrome finishes and premium paint options, will be priced starting at around $25,000. While it's on the higher end of the price spectrum for touring bikes, the Road Glide justifies its cost with its premium build quality, advanced features, and unmatched comfort. In conclusion, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Road Glide is the perfect bike for those who want to enjoy long-distance touring without sacrificing performance, style, or comfort. It combines powerful performance with luxury features, making it an excellent choice for seasoned riders and new enthusiasts alike. With its striking design, advanced technology, and comfortable ride, the Road Glide is set to continue its legacy as one of the best touring motorcycles on the market. Thank you for tuning in to Crazy Cars. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of the latest bikes and cars. See you in the next video.